Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to remove social icons in Hostinger website builder. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and as you see, I have social links or social media icons in the header, also in this between these sections, and also in this and also in the footer section. And to remove all of these social icons, it's simple. Just log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites, and next to the website you want to remove social icons from, click on this edit website button. Now to remove these social media icons from the header, it's simple. Select the header section like that, then click on edit header and go to the elements tab, and next to show social icons, enable this or disable this option. As you see, they disappeared from the header. Now close this. Now let's see how to remove the social icons. If you found them here in this section, just select the section like that, or just click on the social icons element like that and hit this delete icon. Now let's see how to remove them from the footer section. Same thing. Click on the social icons element. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Click on the social icons element and hit delete. By the way, you can remove them from appearing in another way, which is hide/show from this eye icon. Here you can edit this social media icons visibility for mobile and also desktop, but separately. Here now these social media icons are hidden for website visitors using mobile, and now it was hidden for just website visitors using a desktop, a laptop or a desktop. But I want to remove them completely. Now don't forget to update your website to save these or to publish these changes. Let's view my website live. As you see, no more social icons in the header, between sections, or in the footer section. And this is how to remove social media icons in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.